It's time for Cool Tools number 3. Can't wait to show you this one.
Someone's gonna get hurt before you're through. Someone's gonna pay for the things you do.
What is up, guys? Welcome back. I've done a couple other videos on here where I show you some cool tools, like some good ideas for maybe like Father's Day, even if you have a female that likes tools in your family, or something cool you might like yourself. Check it out. Here's a couple. Gonna start today with, and the reason this is so cool to me because I didn't know it existed. It'll save you a lot of money. I love it. Sanding belt cleaner from Harbor Freight. It'll run you $7, and let me show you what this little piece of miracle will do for you. Here I've got a belt sander, and it's got a disc sander over here as well. Little wood particles or whatever you're sanding, plastic, whatever you got on there. Gets all junked up and it stops sanding as well. This thing, it cleans it off perfect. All I'm gonna do is turn it on, place this against the belt, move it back and forth. It'll clean it like magic, back to new. It'll make your belts last so much longer and you won't go through nearly as much. Here we go. Look at that. Holy cow. Look at that. That's awesome. That's one of the best $7 items you're going to buy right there. The belts a lot of the times cost more than that. Imagine how much money you're going to save. Got to get you one. Next thing I wanted to show you, and this really fits in that gift category. A lot of us in the garage, we have these magnetic pickup tools. Just about every guy's got one in their garage. You drop something down the engine bay, you can't reach it. You get this magnetic pickup tool. You go down in there and then whap. You got it. But as things came along and they advanced a little further and stuff, check this out. See that little button? Oh yeah. Yep. It's got a built-in LED light, so when you're in the engine bay, you got a light right on your magnet. How freaking cool is that? This thing costs $5. Like, I don't care, I got one, I'll take more. This is a good gift. It's awesome, gotta get it. Cool tool number 3, the Craftsman multi-purpose tool. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. The situations that I've been in with this thing, holy cow. Well, let me just show you some of what it can do. Let's imagine this piece of wood right here, this is solid wood trim, is on the bottom of a door against the floor. You want to put new like hardwood floor down or whatever, but you need this trimmed. You can't get any kind of saw in there to do that. Take this bad boy. Easy as that. But wait, there's more! Say you run into a nail. Same tool, same attachment. Look at all the attachments this thing comes with. You got carbide sanders, carbide cutters, cutting discs. Thing, it pulls it off. Cool tool number 4. We've all used these. These C-clamps, use them for whatever. You got to do this all the way down, do this all the way down, all the way down, all the way up. You're trying to hold what you got in there and you're doing all this crap. We've all used that. Another good gift idea. Ready for this? There you go. The quick release C-clamp. That's it. That's it. Put it back up to where you want. Get it close, then go with it. I don't know what else to say. Gotta get it. $10. $10. Cool tool numero 5. The suction cup. You can get this from Harbor Freight as well. Not much to it, but it's got a lot of potential. If you want to move like stainless steel or glass or anything, just stick it on whatever you want to carry. Give it a close. You can carry whatever you want around. But the reason I got it is it works as a great dent puller in automotive application. Stick it on the F-150, give it a yanking. Instant body shop. Cool tool numero 6. the Wobble socket extension. Another great gift idea. Seems pretty basic. What these do here versus a normal socket extension is you see how this is squared off, nice and rigid. Now that's great for normal use, that's really strong. These have a balled end that go into the socket. So as you can see here, if I was to put that on and go at my work, everything is straight on, nice and rigid, strong. But if you have a bolt you just can't really get to, it can make it a pain. What that does, Wobble socket on. Now I've got flexibility in my sockets. I can get hard to reach places, and it can spin while it wobbles around. Plus it's got a cool name. That just feels wrong without music. Give it some music, brother.
Wobble, wobble. Let me see you shake it, shake it. Now won't you drop it, drop it. Ooh, take it, take it.
If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Check out the other videos I've got down here as well. All kinds of videos, all kinds of topics and stuff. Please remember to subscribe. That way you get notifications of the videos I do in the future. And make sure you check back. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.
You're gonna find when it's too late. Got your bubble, bro. A heart that just won't break to satisfy you. Just to satisfy.